Forklift-mounted scanning solutions. In today's busy supply chain, fast and accurate pallet scanning is critical for the visibility and routing of goods through warehouse and distribution environments. Conventional handheld or wearable scanning solutions can be inefficient. Reaching from the vehicle to obtain a scan creates safety hazards, and devices can be misplaced, dropped from vehicles, and damaged. Forklift-mounted fixed scanning solutions from Zebra provide a safer and more efficient alternative. Our forklift-mounted scanning solution is designed to streamline operations, enhance efficiency, and improve workplace safety. Unlike conventional forklift-mounted solutions, Zebra uses wireless communications technology. Fewer wires means Zebra solutions are built to handle tough warehouse environments, minimizing avoidable downtime and costly maintenance caused by damaged data and power cables. Zebra forklift-mounted scanners can be powered from the forklift battery or by using hot swappable batteries for continuous uptime. Eliminate forklift downtime costs and enable drivers to focus on driving while the solution takes care of the scanning. Optimize your warehouse operations, improve workplace safety, and minimize downtime with Zebra's wireless forklift scanning solution. Visit our website to find out more.